Thank you for purchasing a Coralife BioCube designer aquarium stand. We recommend assembly in a clean carpeted area to avoid scratching the unit or the floor. When opening your stand box, be sure you have all the necessary components as pictured. Step 1. Using a hammer, gently tap the 4 feet into the holes on the bottom panel, Part C. Step 2. Attach the bottom to the left end panel, Part A1, using two 2 1/4 inch screws. Step 3. Turn 2 cam screws into the inside of the left end panel and push 2 hidden cams into the back of the back panel, Part D. Then, attach the back panel to the left end panel and tighten the 2 hidden cams. Step 4. Turn 2 cam screws into the inside of the right end panel, Part A2, and put 2 additional hidden cams into the back of the back panel. Then, attach the right end panel to the back panel by tightening the 2 hidden cams on the back panel and using 2 1/4 inch screws on the bottom panel. Step 5. Attach the magnetic catch, Part 5, to the top panel, Part B, as pictured, using the 1/2 inch screws. Then, turn 4 cam screws into the same top panel. Step 6. Push 2 hidden cams into the left and right end panels. Then, attach the top panel to the end panels and tighten the 4 hidden cams. Step 7. Attach one of the pivot hinges, Part 7, to the inside top panel of the door using a 1/2 inch screw. Then, attach the strike plate, Part 8, to the door using 2 1/2 inch screws. Repeat for door number 2 if needed. Step 8. Insert a pivot hinge into the opening on the bottom panel. Then, attach the door by inserting the top pivot hinge all the way into the hole on the top panel. You will need to tilt the door slightly. Secure the door by attaching the bottom pivot hinge using a 1/2 inch screw. Repeat for door number 2 if needed. Step 9. Attach the handle to the door using 2 1-inch machine screws. Repeat for door number 2 if needed. Insert the metal pins, Part 11, into the holes on the inside of the stand, and then set the adjustable shelf, Part G, on the pins. This completes assembly. Place the assembled aquarium stand on a flat surface and level the unit by placing a leveling tool on the top and take readings from front to back and side to side. Make sure the location that you choose is 1. Capable of supporting the weight of a filled aquarium, which is approximately 10 pounds per gallon of water. 2. Close to an electrical outlet for plugging in equipment. And 3. Away from windows so that the sunlight does not cause unwanted algae growth.